Hello everyone, welcome to Math Simplified. We have a coordinate geometry question here which previously appeared on a GMAT exam. Let's take a look at it. It says, in the coordinate system below, which of the following is the equation of line L? We are given a graph and a line L on it. We're trying to determine what could be the equation of this line. There are many ways to determine the equation of a line. For this particular case, in which we can see that the line actually intercepts the y-axis at 2, or rather 0, 2, which makes the y-intercept to be 2, and the x-axis at, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. So this point becomes 3, 0. That makes 3 to be its x-intercepts. There is a very convenient way in which we can determine the equation of the line using a simple formula. If the x and y intercepts of a line are a and b, so a is the x-intercept, b is the y-intercept. Let me write that down. So this is x-intercept, b is the y-intercept. If that's the case, equation of the line becomes x over a plus y over b equals 1. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you want me to derive the equation, why this is the equation of the line, please tell me in the comments below so that I will make another video with the derivation of this formula. For now, let's just plug in the values and figure out what our answer is. We've seen that the x-intercept is 3. Notice that the x point where it intersects the x-axis is 3, 0, which makes 3 to be our x-intercept. That is, our a is 3 and our b, which is the y-intercept, is 2. Therefore, the equation of the line that we're looking for becomes x over 2, excuse me, it's not right, it's x over 3 because x-intercept is 3, x over 3 plus y over 2 equals 1. If we further simplify it, get 2x plus 3y over 6 equals 1. I just simply brought these two fractions to a common denominator, which would be 6, and rearranged the terms. So the equation of the line becomes 2x plus 3y equals 6, and let's see if we have that as an answer. There you go. That's our final answer, which would be B. Thank you.